Cricket West Indies will commence a major year of women's cricket as the CG United Women's Super 50 Cup and the T20 Blaze returns to St. Vincent and the Grenadines from January 13 to February 1.
The Limited Overs tournament in its fifth year will once again bring together sides from Barbados, Jamaica, the Leeward Islands, defending champions Guyana, Super 50 defending champions Trinidad and Tobago, and host the Windward Islands. The tournament will again be contested in a round-robin format, which will then be followed by the grand final. All games will be played at the Arnosvale Cricket Stadium with triple headers on each match day. The first match will bowl off at 9:30 a.m., the second at 2:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. with the final match of the day being played under lights. Following the conclusion of the T20 Blaze, the Super 50 tournament will commence at three grounds, Sand Hill, Park Hill and Cumberland, and games will bowl off at 9:30 a.m. each match day. Now each team will play 3 games, after which the top-ranked team will be declared the winner. In Tuesday's opening games, the defending champions Guyana will do battle with the Windward Islands in the first game of the day. The second game of the day at 2:30 p.m. will see last year's beaten finalists Jamaica facing the Leeward Islands, while the final game of the day will see Trinidad and Tobago go up against Barbados. Following the conclusion of both tournaments, the West Indies women will host Sri Lanka for a white ball series in late February before doing battle with Australia in an all-format series the following month. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.